Vlog number 2. This is just going to be an unboxing of the racket bag that I've ordered. As you can see, mine's already worn out already. The compartment for the shoes is already as you can see, it's wrecked already. And the shoulder strap, as you can see as well, the foam is already showing outside, and its cover, it's already wrecked, worn out, totally worn out. And the inside of this, it's not really suitable for carrying stuff, but if you have no choice, it still could serve its purpose of carrying your tools for badminton. So I bought this one in Shopee. I was actually just woke up with the ringing or the vibration of the call from the delivery guy. So let's open it up. This cost around 2,000. They say that it's on sale. Hopefully I will be satisfied with the results. So let's open it up. Looks cool. Size is somewhat like similar to what I've had. Wow, I like the color of the inside is green. Go next. Texture wise, it's matte finish. Hopefully it's durable. I like this one as well. Great design. It's kind of rough compared to this one. It's rough matte finish. This one's kind of rough. So let's test it with one of my rackets here. Let's see if it will fit. I think this is for. This seems to be for. Not sure what this is for. This one holds the racket in place. Holds the racket in place. Now let's test my shoes. Yeah. These are my shoes. Oh, where's the compartment? I can't find the shoe compartment for this one. I think it's this one. This is the shoe compartment. But why did they place that here? It's for the racket. Well, maybe the racket should be placed here. Racket's here. Shoes on the other side. Fits into place. Haven't tested out yet with all the stuff that I have, so perhaps by tomorrow I can fully test it. So far, looks good. Again, hopefully this would be durable. Bye.